The Desk 3500 is Ingenico's smart terminal that offers you a secure way to accept electronic payments for your business. In this video, we will go through different components of the device and guide you through a general installation. Your Desk 3500 package will include the following: a terminal and a magic box, 2-part power supply adapters, an RJ11 phone cable, an optional RJ45 Ethernet cable, a pin shield, and a paper roll. This magic box is a cable management device and serves as a hub for all your power and communication ports on the terminal. This will allow you to manage all connections without removing the bottom cover. You can set up your Desk 3500 for dial-up communication using the phone line cable. You can also set up high-speed internet with Ethernet or Wi-Fi. For dial-up, plug in one end of the RJ11 phone cable into the telephone port on the magic box, and the other end into a telephone wall jack. If you are using an RJ45 Ethernet cable, connect one end of it into the Ethernet port on the magic box, and the other end into your internet router. Your Desk 3500 comes with one paper roll that enables you to promptly print sales receipts. To install the paper roll, open the compartment by lifting the catch near the top of the terminal. Insert the roll in the compartment with the paper coming out from under the roll. Pull up the paper to the top of the terminal and close the lid to clip it into position. A pin shield is a great way to add additional privacy for your customers as they enter their PIN during a transaction. To install the pin shield, place the terminal face up and clean the pin pad surface for any dust particles. Next, remove the adhesive sticker from the pin shield. Carefully set it face down, aligning with the pin pad. Press down for 5 seconds and let go. Your pin shield is now installed. To establish the power connections for your Desk 3500, you must first connect the 2-part power supply cables with each other. One end of the combined cables will plug into a power outlet on the wall, and the other ends will go into the magic box port marked with a lightning bolt. The terminal will automatically boot up, showing various splash screens. The device will settle on an idle, ready, or welcome screen, indicating your Desk 3500 is ready to use. To power off your Desk 3500, simply remove the power cable from the wall outlet. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.